Hi everyone, I'm Rithik from UPDF. In today's video, I will explain to you how you can edit a scanned PDF contract using UPDF on both desktop and mobile. UPDF makes this super easy by letting you scan paper documents, apply OCR, and edit PDF pages in just a few steps. So make sure to download UPDF by clicking the link in the description below so that you can follow along with these steps. Let's start things off with UPDF for desktop. UPDF allows you to scan a physical contract directly into a PDF. Then you can convert it into fully editable text with UPDF's OCR tool. After that, you can easily edit text and images, add comments, organize pages, and even create and fill tables. But to do this, you'll first need to download UPDF on your desktop. Here's how to do it. Open your browser and search for UPDF. Find the official UPDF website in the search results and click Download UPDF, and then download the version for your operating system. Open the installer to install UPDF on your device. Alright, now it's time to scan the contract to a PDF. First, open UPDF and click Tools from the bottom and select Scanner from the Create PDF section. Your computer will connect to your printer and you can adjust your scan settings. You can choose the scan type or mode, adjust the resolution, set the page size and orientation, or apply image correction. You can also choose to combine into a single document or perform the OCR after the creation. Alright, now once you're done, click on Scan. If you need to scan more pages, there's a button right here to do so, but once you're done, your scanned PDF will appear right in the editor. Now you can convert your scanned PDF into an editable format with the OCR tool. Go to the Tools menu at the top and select OCR. Click Editable PDF to convert the scanned document into a fully editable PDF. Then select the document language and the page range, and then click Convert. After the OCR is complete, your new PDF will open automatically, and you can just start editing it as needed. Alright, now it's time to edit. The edit mode in UPDF allows you to edit your PDF's text and images in detail. Click on Tools and select the edit mode, then click on the text that you want to change. For a contract, this can be like names, dates, amounts, specific clauses. You can also adjust the paragraphs and text properties. Select the desired text, and from the floating toolbar, you can change the text color, font, alignment, or make the text bold, italic, or underlined. If you want to access more options, you can click the three dots, simply labeled More, and this will open a right panel with advanced text editing options. You can also add signatures and stamps to authenticate the contracts or forms. Click the Tools menu and choose the Comment mode, and from the toolbar at the top, select the Signature tool. Then click Create. On the desktop version, you can use your mouse to draw a handwritten signature in the drawing box provided, and you can adjust the border size and the color to your preference. You can also add your signature using a keyboard or by uploading an image. Once you're done, you can click Create and place the signature exactly where you want it. Next, let's add a stamp. So from the top toolbar, select Stamps and click Create. You can choose any of the stamp styles offered, and you can enter its label in the text box. Then click Create and place the stamp in the desired spot. UPDF also allows you to add comments or annotations to provide feedback when editing. Click the Tools menu and select the Comment mode. At the top, you'll see a toolbar with all of the annotation tools that you can need. To highlight important clauses or recent changes in your contract, choose the Highlight tool and pick your desired color. Then select the text that you want to emphasize. You can also switch the highlight to an underline, strike through, or squiggly from the floating toolbar. If needed, you can attach a sticky note or delete the highlight. To add comments, select the Text Comment tool from the top and choose the text color, font, and size. Then click where you want to place it and type your comment. You can also click the down arrow next to Text Comment to select the text box or text callout option. For adding detailed notes, select the Sticky Notes option. In addition, you can use the Pencil tool to handwrite on the PDF or freely annotate text as needed with your mouse. If you need to mark an entire block of text, use the Rectangle tool. You can also click the down arrow next to it to choose other shapes, like oval, line, or arrow. Now, if you want to add a new section, like for amendments or to delete unwanted pages from your contract, UPDF lets you do it pretty easily. Click the Organize Pages option in the left sidebar. If you want to add a new section to your contract, select the Insert tool from the top toolbar. Then choose whether to add pages from a file, an image, a blank page, a clipboard, or more. You can also hover between pages and click the plus button to quickly insert a new page. To remove unwanted sections, click the Delete icon below the page you want to remove. For multiple pages, hold the Control on Windows or Command on Mac key while selecting them, then click Delete from the top toolbar. If you need to add things like payment schedules or pricing options in a table format with your contract, you can create and fill these tables with UPDF. First, click Tools and choose the Form mode. To create a table, select the Text field option from the top and then stack multiple fields together. You can also add interactive elements like radio buttons, checkboxes, drop-downs, or list boxes. For tables with fillable fields, simply click each field and add the relevant details. But if you're working with a flat, non-fillable PDF, click More and choose Form Field Recognition, and this will automatically turn your table into a fillable format. Now, just like on a computer, you can use UPDF's mobile app to edit scanned documents right on your smartphone. With UPDF for mobile, you can scan your paper contracts and perform OCR to make them editable, just like you can on a computer. Then you can easily modify text and images, add comments, fill tables, and more. But first, we gotta download the UPDF app. Open the Google Play Store or the iPhone App Store on your device and search for UPDF. Find the app in the search results and tap Install. Alright, now once it's downloaded, let's look at how you can edit a scanned contract. Since your phone has a camera, you can simply just use your camera to scan the document. Open UPDF, go to Tools, and select Scan Document. Then use your phone's camera to scan the contract and press Save. Once it's saved, press Open Document from the dialog box to view and edit the file. Next, you can use UPDF's OCR tool to convert the scanned PDF into an editable format. Tap the OCR tool at the bottom, and then select Editable PDF and choose the document's language from the dropdown. Now press Continue, and your OCR will be applied. Now that your PDF is editable, you can start modifying its content. Go to Files and import your editable PDF. Then select the Edit mode to modify the text and images. The Comment tool also allows you to highlight, underline, strike through text, or add comments for feedback, and you can use the Draw tool to write and annotate freely with your finger. On your phone, UPDF also allows you to easily organize the pages. Press the toolbar icon at the top right and choose Organize Pages. You can rotate, insert, extract pages, and more. And if you want to create or fill out tables in your contract, UPDF for iOS makes this super easy. Tap Fill and Sign from the bottom toolbar. For non-fillable PDFs, select the Text tool to manually place fillable text boxes. For interactive PDFs, simply tap each field and enter all your details. Then select the Signature tool to add handwritten or image-based signatures. That's it for today. In this video, you've seen how UPDF lets you scan, convert, and edit PDF contracts on both desktop and mobile. With all these tools in one app, you can edit your documents much faster without needing to switch apps. So make sure to download UPDF from the link in the description and give it a try. Lastly, if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another tutorial. See you next time.